Take a ride in the 2024 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.